ओ माय गॉड यार, कंगना की ब्रा दिख रही है यार. शिट, माय गॉड. अरे जानवी, क्रॉस योर लेग्स, योर पैंटीज विजिबल यार. शिट मैन, योर पैंटीज विजिबल जानवी. So what do you think? Fashion malfunction can only happen to girls, right? And is only restricted to celebrities. Hey TTVians, what's up? For those who don't know me, I am Shomum Das. I am a Kolkata-based fashion and lifestyle blogger. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Dress It Off with TDA, which comes on every Monday. This series showcases men's styling and all fashion-related contents. And I hope that you have already assumed today's topic. And yes, today's topic is gonna be what is fashion malfunction. I will dive into this topic today. What is fashion malfunction, and I will show you some tips about how to prevent those, how to avoid those malfunctions. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So at first you need to know what the term malfunction is. Yes, you heard it right, because if you want to take actions against malfunction, or you want to avoid malfunctions, you need to know what malfunctions is. So malfunction is just a term which is referred to those things which are not functioning normally. And in case of fashion malfunction, the thing which should not be shown and which should not be visible and which should not be created, it is called fashion malfunction. Yes, and if fashion malfunction is basically is not intended by anyone. कोई जानबूझ के ये फैशन malfunction नहीं करता, ये हो जाता है. This is accidental. Sometimes you may not understand that whether you are having any kind of fashion malfunction, whether you are having any kind of fault in your fashion outfit or any kind of fashion related malfunction, but people will notice it, people will see it, people will notice about your malfunction even before you cannot even, you even not understand, you even not notice your malfunction or any kind of problems or any faults in your outfit. But so let's proceed with the first step, and guys, all of the tips which I will gonna show it to you, I know most of you have done and one or the other in your life already, but don't worry guys, keep watching this video, because after this video you will never do any kind of mistake regarding your fashion outfits ever, and you will never repeat any kind of mistake which you have done before. So let's come to the first step, which is don't wear a tight waist under a loose cloth. Yes, this is the first step. Many of you guys have done this mistake, is that you have wore a tight waist under a loose cloth, but it is really wrong, because if you are wearing a tight waist under a loose cloth, when you are kind of relaxing or calming, your waist will gonna show, your waist will gonna pop out. It will really embarrass you from if you are in a public place, and it is a severe malfunction for all the guys and boys out there. So please don't do this, please, and it is an earnest request for you, it is a severe malfunction for all the guys out there, that don't wear a tight waist either. If you are wearing a waist, then wear to compatible with the cloth you are wearing. If you are wearing a tight cloth, then wear a tight waist. If you are wearing a loose cloth, then wear a loose waist. Don't wear a tight waist with a loose cloth either. It will pop out and it will make you really odd and bad. So coming towards the tip number 2, which is also one of the most important point to put lights on, because as it had been a trend at one point of time. Yes, you heard it right, it was a trend at one point of time, but it would have never been a trend. It should not be a trend, it is just a matter of humiliation. ये trend होता ही नहीं है, होना चाहिए भी नहीं, बट ये ट्रेंड था एक टाइम पे, यही ट्रेंड था मतलब बच्चे लोग बूढ़े लोग यही पहन के ये ट्रेंड फॉलो करते थे, बट इट वाज अ सीवियर मैल फंक्शन. यस, एंड यू नो व्हाट, इट हैज बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द ग्रेट किंग खान. यस, you heard it right. It may be shocking, but it was a severe malfunction and it had never been a trend. ये trend हो ही नहीं सकता. So that tip number 2 is never wear a loose pant. Yes, you heard it right. Never wear a loose pant, but it had been a trend at one point of time. And SRK has introduced this trend at one point of time, at certain point of time, but it should not be a trend. ये trend होता ही नहीं है. People used to follow this trend. People used to show their underwear, and SRK has not introduced this trend as बच्चे लोग लूज ट्राउजर पहनो, ये नहीं था. SRK has introduced the showness of underwear actually, that he introduced as a trend, but that should not never been a trend. ये वो trend होता ही नहीं है. Showing any kind of undergarment in a public place is a severe malfunction which should be avoided. And wearing a loose pants will provoke your undergarment to expose in a public place. So you should avoid wearing loose pants. If you are wearing a loose pants, wear a belt instead. If you are wearing a loose pant, then put it with a belt. Yes, it will hold your pant firmly and it will not expose your underwear, because exposing underwear in a public place is just a mere humiliation and not a trend and not a cool stuff to show off. Okay, coming towards the tip number 3, which is one of the most important as well, and it has been really casual nowadays, but it is not at all casual and funky. It is a mere humiliation and a severe malfunction. Wearing colorful tees under formal shirts. Yes guys, it is just a mere waste. Don't wear a colorful tee under or any kind of colorful cloth under your formal shirt. Yes, if the portion which is left between two buttons of a shirt, if you are sitting down, that will open up a little bit and your color of that tee will come out and it will make you really odd. Yes guys, the color of the vest which you are wearing under a shirt, which is white, and it is acceptable. It is kind of acceptable, but any other color rather than white, which is not acceptable, it is a big no. Actually, it is a big. Coming towards the next step, which is tip number 4. This mistake have been repeated, have been done. I have myself seen outside that many of the guys has done this mistake, is doing that mistake, but they are not feeling any attention to that mistake at all. They are walking like casually and roaming around like just casually, and they are not paying any kind of attention to it all. But it is a kind of major malfunction which you will gonna overlook, but people will not overlook it. People will laugh at you and make you embarrassed. So that tip number 4 is do not wear a tight cloth ever. Yes guys, do not wear a tight cloth ever unless you have a gym fit body. Yes, if you are having a really built up body, then wear a tight clothes. It will showcase your biceps, triceps, and kind of chests and abs. But if you are not having a gym fit body, don't wear a tight clothes at all. Don't wear tight clothes at all. Don't ever look up to them. It will make you, if you are having a normal figure, you will have a bulgy out figure. It will bulge out of the tight clothes, and it will make you look really odd, and it will make you look really disgusting. Sorry for that, but really it is. People will laugh at you and will laugh at your fashion sense, but it is a mere fashion malfunction. Your chest, your all the thing, will get bulge out. Your stomach will put out, which is called in Bengali bhuri, will bulge out, which is not acceptable, which is really not acceptable, and hence so tight clothes should be avoided by any kind of normal people, unless you are having a gym fit body. So coming towards the last tip which I will gonna share it to you is tip number 5, is that never wear shorts under a tight jeans. Yes, guys, you heard it right. Please don't wear a shorts under tight jeans. It will look you really make you look hot. And if you are wearing a shorts under tight jeans, that tight jeans will make your shorts visible and it will make you really look odd. I have seen many people multiple times walking around in the streets and they are wearing tight shorts which is visible from their tight jeans, which is not acceptable, and it is a fashion hazard and it should be avoided. It must be avoided. It is not acceptable. So it is a major malfunction which must be avoided. Okay. These are some of the tips of fashion malfunction which should be avoided to stop from being embarrassed. Hope you guys liked it, and please don't go anywhere without hitting that like and that great subscribe button below, because those are the only things which gives me motivation from inside to produce such amazing and exclusive contents for you all. And go guys, do follow me on Instagram as well, as I used to post amazing and exclusive contents over there as well. And for this video, share this to everyone you know, your friends, family, relatives, and comment down below about which fashion malfunction you have committed multiple times, and comment down below what video should I make next, and I will see you guys in this Thursday with a brand new episode of TDF Makeovers, Insiders and more. And till then, spread positivity, and I will see you guys in the next video. So TDFians, sayonara.